Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to February. We're a month into 2018. I've been working on my goals. I hope you've been working on yours. In my case, I've got a little bit less fat, a little bit more gray. Been working on a bunch of different projects, and I have a question for you guys. If you've been following me for any time, then you know that in 2015, I made a whole bunch of polymer clay dragons. My question for you is, if you could learn how to make any one of those, and I know some of you have requested dragon tutorials, if you could learn how to make any one of those dragons, which one would it be and why? What details do you like about it? Like I said, I can't tell you why I'm asking, although if you follow the things I do, you might be able to guess. So let me know in the comments. I will put a link up in the upper right here so that you can click and go right to my Pinterest board that will have all of the dragons, and you can take a look. And I would love it if you took a minute and let me know which your favorite is and why, and which ones you'd like to learn to make, just for no particular reason. So thanks for watching. Happy creating. Bye-bye.